Hi friends, today I will be cooking my favorite breaded pork chop. I'm sure that children would love this. This is delicious. And here are the ingredients. Let's start cooking. So in a mixing bowl, we have to put all-purpose flour. And then we have to add cornstarch, garlic powder, ground black pepper, and then we have to mix all these dry ingredients. We have to mix it well. And then we have to put this one aside. Next, I will season the pork chop with salt. So we have to do this in all the pork chops. And then after this, I have to put the calamansi juice, or if you have lemon juice, that's better. And we have to make sure that all the pork chops are drenched with the juice, because it really adds the taste. Next, I will prepare the egg. Then add 1 tablespoon of water and then mix. Then I'm going to coat now the pork chops with the mixture. Right? And then we have to drench it with the egg that I prepared. And then next will be the breadcrumbs. I have to dredge it with breadcrumbs. This would be very delicious. So we just have to do the same process with the rest of the pork chops. Now it's time to fry, so I have to heat oil in a pan. And of course, we have to check if it's already hot. It's good to fry the pork chop in a hot oil. So we have to fry the pork chop until golden brown. We can fry the pork chop 3 minutes and then the next side for another 3 minutes or until golden brown. Now it looks very delicious. They are already golden brown, and this is already cooked. Done cooking, and the pork chops are ready to serve. Thanks for watching.